Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. Today we're in my classroom, as you can see, and I'm decorating my classroom for the holidays, and I am so excited. And when I told my students that I was decorating for the holidays, they were with it. They were with the vibes. So everything that I have already fits in my classroom theme. My theme is green, which is one of my favorite colors, and black and gold, that classic theme, just cozy, classy, fun, and festive. But before we get into this, I want to show you what I have. All the decorations that I have came from my house. They already fit into the theme and vibe, and I'm matching the theme today, y'all. Before we start decorating, let me show you what I brought with me from home. I picked up these holiday pillows, the cutest little signs, twinkle lights, colorful string lights for a pop, the planters for foliage, and the bottle brush trees, as well as my holiday candle. But don't worry, it is flameless. I use a candle warmer. Safety comes first. Do not want to get fire coated, okay? Most of these decorations I picked up from Pop Shelf, which is a great place to go if you are a bad and bougie teacher on a budget, okay? I get them at the end of the season, and all the decorations are typically 50% off. And I actually got these a few years ago. So most stuff from Pop Shelf, but I also got a few things from Dollar Tree. As you can see, the gold is warm, golden glow, classy vibes with a hint of holiday magic. Okay, first up is my reading corner. This space is already one of my favorites. As you can see, you have lights over here. So we're just taking it up a notch. I'm gonna put some pillows over here. I'm not gonna put a blanket because I don't want the students to sleep. I want them to stay awake and get their work done. And I'm going to put some twinkle lights up on the shelf. All right, let's decorate. I already put some fake snow up here on the top of the bookshelves. You all, this corner was already cozy, but it looks even more so. My students are going to love this. This is already one of their favorite spots in the room. All right, this is my space, my area. I'm gonna sprinkle a little magic over here. Not too much. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm keeping my desk simple but warm because it can be organized chaos over here, but just enough to make me smile when I sit down in the mornings. Next up, my whiteboard area. I already have the lights around my board that stay up all year long. This is what students see the most, so it has to be a little bit cute, something that'll keep their attention. So I'm just going to add this planter and this little sign because this is also where they turn in papers, so I don't want to get it too cluttered. So these lights just make everything feel extra magical. So I already set them up here. So this is the first space that they see when they walk in, because they turn in their phones and then they come up here to get pencils or tissues or hand sanitizer. So I'm just gonna add a few little decorative tree figures. I also wanted to add these picture frames and maybe put some pictures of my students in there and see if they notice them throughout the weeks leading up to break. That would be funny and cute. And the last little touch in this area is this letter to Santa box. Let's see if anyone drops a letter in before the holidays start. I'm going to go ahead and add the last little touches, the little things that pull the whole room together. Okay, y'all, here is the final reveal. Here is the finished classroom. I am obsessed. It feels and looks warm, magical, and still very me. Golden, white, cozy, and festive. My kids are going to walk in tomorrow and feel the holiday spirit immediately. This was my first time decorating my classroom as a teacher, and I've been doing this for 11 years, and I'm trying to figure out why I never decorated before for the holiday, and I just love it. I can't wait to do it again next year and do more. Once I finished my classroom, some of my students came in and said it wasn't enough, so one of them did bring in a few decorations. I was able to add some lights around this bulletin board, and a substitute had some bows that she made, so I added that to the top of that wall. And then my student brought in some elves on the shelf, so I have them in the classroom. Thank you for hanging with me for Vlogmas Day 5. Drop a comment down below and let me know which part of my classroom is your favorite. I think for me, it's the reading corner. Also, drop a comment down below and let me know how you are decorating your space for the holiday season. Are you keeping it soft and cozy or fun and festive? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 6. Bye, y'all.